Judy's Magic Cast On allows us to have a seamless edge. Looks like the knitting just goes without any real interruption. Great technique. I use it for my whipper slippers. This is one of my whipper slippers. I use it for my whipper slippers all the time. It is amazing. Let's learn how to do it. Okay, let's walk and talk through this. So I got a couple of double points here. You can use a couple of circulars, whatever you want to start your knitting when you get really moving and start making your stuff and doing your increases if that's what you choose to do. Okay, so I'm going to be generous with my yarn. I'm going to get out about 2 feet, 24 inches. Okay, I'm going to turn and give myself a loop. That loop is going to go on what we're going to call the top needle. Okay, I'm going to hold my yarn like we're doing the slingshot for the long tail cast on. Remember that? Okay, now here's where we get crazy. My index finger is going to control what goes on the bottom needle, this needle. My thumb is going to control what goes on the top. See, I already have one on there on the top, so I'm going to put one on the bottom, and my index controls the bottom. So I'm going to turn and twist. I got one on there. I'm going to do a bunch of these, so let's watch. Thumb, go through, twist. Index to the bottom, get through there, twist. Thumb, twist. Index, get through there, twist. Okay, we finish when we finish with the index. Look how many we got. We got 4 each way. Let's get 10 each way. Whoops. 4 each way. Let's get 10 each way. 5, 5, 6, 6. Whoops. To the bottom one. 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, and 10. Okay, now I'm going to give my bottom one an extra little twist so I can hold it in place. Okay. Now if you look, that's my bottom. Okay. This is going to end up being your wrong side. Okay. So here we go. I'm going to take my long end. We're just going to start knitting. Just like that. We're just going to start knitting right on in there. Just start knitting. Make sure I get both my strands here. There we go. Okay, I'm going to get this needle out of the way so I can breathe. And I'll get back to you when I'm done knitting around so you can see what I'm talking about. We're just going to do plain knitting. No worries. Look at that. It's already starting to form. Look at that. All I did was just knit across, change needles, knit across, just like in regular double points. And just like that, we're basically joined in the round. Isn't that something? Now look, we got the wrong side, and that's going to be on the inside of the sleeve here, if we were to do that. And this is going to be our outside. So basically, if we keep going around, we'll get a tube, just like a sock. So this is a good way to start toe-up socks. Great way, actually. Look at that. Seamless. That's Judy's Magic Cast On. Enjoy.